Hey guys, welcome to day 18 of my day trading journey to profitability. To prove that it's possible, today I didn't end up taking a trade. I didn't see a good enough entry for me, um, so I didn't take one. So you can see here on ES, I'll just talk you through what market did, just to recap. On ES here on the 4 hour, we have these highs here, lows here. Um, Market open somewhere in here, so we're still actually on ES. We're didn't break structure to the upside yet, but we filled in this imbalance and we're getting rejections off. So I was bearish or bullish on that. Sorry, bullish on ES. Um, and same thing for Nasdaq here. We broke structure to the upside and we were in this imbalance. So bullish on both of them. Got a 4 hour low there. Going to the 1 hour. We had no news today, so I wasn't worried about news. You can see this hourly high here and this hourly low here. Um, on NQ, same pretty similar situation on ES. We get this high here and this low here. You see we get this big leg down, but before that, price actually rallied higher on NQ, but it hit all-time highs here and then came back down. Looks like we're getting a, well, kind of broke through this imbalance here, but there's an imbalance here. Might see some more legs down. We'll see. But on ES, so I was looking for long, so I was looking for a sweep of liquidity first. So we go into the 1 hour here. We see this sweep, so hop into the 5 minute. Um, we get this pre-market sweep actually, um, and we don't get a retrace till here, and we just keep getting legs down, legs down. Uh, Kind of get a leg up here, but then we get another retracement here. Hop into the 1 minute. Um, Market opened at 9:30 right here. So we had that retracement looking for a fair value gap somewhere. We actually, well, that I didn't notice this one. Um, we kind of had a fair value gap here. Let's see, what time was that? 9:33. Yeah, that was before the retracement. So that's why I didn't look at that one. I mean, and I can see that that wouldn't have worked because price just pushed lower. So I need to wait till after the retracement to look for a fair value gap. So 9:55 or whatever I said. Looking for a fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap. Don't see anything. Get one here, it gets broken through. Don't see anything. And this is already 11 o'clock. We do get one here, but that gets broken through. But that's already way late in the day. I'm going to be taking a trade. It's because we did have this mini sweep, and then rallied a little bit higher, but not much. NQ was the one that had the most movement today. And we can see on the 1 hour, get this sweep, rallies up in the big leg down. Um, it's the 1 minute or the 5 minute here. Market opens right here. We get this pre-market sweep. Um, so I saw this. It's 5 minutes before market open. I saw that, so I was waiting for another. Um, I was actually waiting for a red candle to push down in here, but price just wanted to rally higher, and come back down. And you can see never came back down and went a little bit higher. But really, not much price movement today. It's Friday, not a very big news week, um, and price action's been kind of bad this whole all of December almost. But um, we'll get through it. Yeah, we can see here if I um, entered the 1 minute after this retrace. Another thing that happened here is we get this break of structure on this candle close at 9:30, right on market open. So if I was doing like a liquidity sweep and then a break of structure on the 5 minute, which I know is a lot of people do, I could have maybe taken that trade, so we'll come in here, we'll see. Market opened right here. Yeah, and I did notice this one. We had this fair value gap here. Mark that out. Right there, we get price pushed into it. And then we do end up getting a breakage structure on that candle here. We go long, boom, stop down here. You see at most, it would have been a 1 to 2, which would have been pretty good. But I don't think there's anything up there we could have targeted. Yeah, like we're at all-time highs here, so it's kind of hard to figure out where you take your trade. No 4-hour highs, of course, 'cause we're at all-time highs. But one thing I could have done was if I took that entry, which I didn't because it's not according to my rules. I like a better retracement. Um, but a 5-minute breaker structure is a pretty good confluence. Might start looking into. Oops. So if I saw this and I was going to enter on that, I probably would have just done the 1 to 1, uh, just something like that, just to see if we could take any profit. Because trading at all-time highs, you never really know how far price is going to push up. But that's what I would have took. That's the trade I would have took if I did that 5-minute breaker structure. Um, on the 15-minute, you see this big imbalance. Nothing to really see there. We did have like an order block here almost, and get pushed up, but no breaker structure or anything we could have traded off of. I think the best thing would have been this breaker structure here. Waited for a 1 minute fair value gap or order block or something like that, and then enter off of that. But never ended up getting that. Or there was that, but I didn't take a trade off that because that's not in my plan. And I don't think on ES there was anything like that. Yeah, see, if we had to go up here to break structure. So nothing to really be, no trades to be taken on there. But yeah, day 18, I believe, of my day trading journey to profitability. Overall, I think we're up for the week. We had a great trade. Um, oh, on the 10th. So that was Tuesday, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday. Tuesday. Uh, yeah, Tuesday. Had a great trade on Tuesday. Would have had a great trade on Monday if I saw it, but I missed it, and my bias was wrong. So yeah, day 18. We'll see you.